Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a journey through the artistry of baking, the heartwarming world of bakers and their delectable creations. In this training presentation, we invite you to immerse yourself in the magic of flour, yeast, and endless possibilities. Before we dive into the main content, let's take a moment to appreciate the essence of what it means to be a baker. Bakers are not just culinary artists. They are creators of edible art, infusing flavors and emotions into every bite. Their craft blends science and art, where precision and creativity dance together in perfect harmony. Stay tuned for the main presentation, where we'll delve into the intricate details of the baker's job description. Job title: Baker. Place of work: Pastry Bakery Kitchen. Scope and general. Purpose of job: he performs tasks to the highest professional standards and instructions received by the pastry chef or assistant pastry chef. Responsible to: pastry chef. Responsible for: none. Main duties: 1. Acts on issues and concerns in his field of activity immediately. 2. Works independently on the tasks assigned to him. 3. Suggests and recommends steps and methods to maintain or improve the standards of production and quality. 4. Trains staff up to standards. 5. The working hours are in accordance with the established duty roster issued by the pastry chef. Extra duty hours are expected if required. 6. He is compelled to wear the assigned uniform. 7. Supervises the assigned staff. 8. Present himself clean and proper in his job environment. 9. Assists in the ongoing job training to the bakery staff in order to maintain the highest standards of production. 10. Ensures proper handling of equipment, prevents loss, breakage and damage to assets and goods. 11. Administers all matters related to his field of activity. 12. Maintains his work environment clean and proper at all times. 13. Ensures proper standards of sanitation and hygiene. 14. Follows the correct production procedures according to the recipes issued by the pastry chef. 15. Prepares all ingredients for baking, measures and mixed ingredients according to recipe using cups, spoons and scale, bakes cakes in the oven. 16. Prepares all kinds of bread, Danish pastries and rolls according to recipes for all kitchen subsections. 17. Mixes, kneads and shapes dough to make bread, muffin, Danish pastries and other bakery products. 18. Regulates thermostat controls of ovens and times all foodstuffs being baked. 19. Performs duties common to all supervisors and other duties as may be assigned. 20. To be team-oriented and to be able to cope with high volume of business. 21. To be attend training is set by the assistant food and beverage manager or training manager. 22. Carries out other duties that may from time to time be assigned to him. Other duties. 1. To report for duty punctually wearing the correct uniform and name badge at all times. 2. To assist in the building of an efficient team of employees by taking an active interest in their welfare, safety and development. 3. To ensure that the department's operational budget is strictly adhered to and that all costs are strictly controlled. 4. To ensure that all employees have a complete understanding of and adhere to the hotel employee rules and regulations. 5. To ensure that all employees have a complete understanding of and adhere to the hotel policies relating to fire, hygiene and safety. 6. To carry out any other reasonable duties and responsibilities as assigned. Remember that for bakers, each cake, each loaf of bread, is a canvas waiting to be adorned. If you're as passionate about the world of baking as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Together, we'll explore the artistry of bakers.